Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Digital Century YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, we will be sharing tips and tricks about new technologies, machines, gadgets, and all kind of trending stuffs about technology. We love technology so much. That's why we have dedicated a lot of our time in research to make sure that we are going to come out with videos and tutorials that will prove to be the best of the best, so that when you watch it, it will prove to be worthwhile. And more to that, we want to see to it that once you watch our videos constantly, you are going to be updated. That's our goal. That's our aim. We see how technology have changed our lives, the way we are living and the way we work. It has changed everything. Your smartphone has your wristwatch, your calendar. Many people do not bother about work clock in the house again. Many people do not travel with maps again. They don't go with GPS. All those things are embedded on the smartphone. There are so many other gadgets that also have so many potential to make your life more fun, simple, and the way you work easier. We are going to be sharing tips and tricks about these gadgets. Where can you get them? How do you go about operating them? Which model of them is the best one for you to buy? Do you have technical issue in the one you're currently using? Feel free, share your questions. We are willing to offer you assistance on how to go about that technical issue. So we are also assuring you that here on this YouTube channel, you're going to find also fun videos, entertaining videos, and other educative videos that you would love. So for you not to miss out on any important video, we ask you to watch our videos from the oldest one down to the latest one, and click on the subscribe button below and touch on the notification bell icon close to it. That way you are going to stay updated and notified the moment we have a new video. We assure you that you're going to have a great time whenever you are here watching our video on this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again on the very next video.